Welcome you this morning as we celebrate the reopening of our elementary and 6th grade building.
We have been dreaming and planning for the future of Denver Academy, including this building, for many, many years. And today we're ready to open your building.
Hi, my name is Andrew Simon. I'm currently a 6th grader here at Denver Academy. I'm excited to share this new building with you guys. We have a responsibility to keep this building as bright and shiny as it is now for us and the students who will attend in the future. In fact, it's so bright, I got to put my shades on.
I have a large ribbon behind us that's blocking the entrance.
Oh wow, look at that big ribbon. I think we're gonna need some big scissors to cut that big ribbon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I am absolutely speechless.
It is so awesome. We're so excited, so thankful, so grateful to be here.
I am so excited for our new building. The space is amazing.
It's so bright and clean and new and exciting for them.
I love how much space it is.
I'm just honored to be able to be in this space and be with these kids and to be at this school.
It is so amazing and perfect for our students and our teachers.
It's 100% better.
Kids deserve this beautiful facility. They've been patient, our teachers have been patient.
I've never been so amazed that this place is super awesome.
I think it's beautiful, and I'm loving like walking around and seeing how excited all the kids are.
Yeah, I love it. It's so pretty.
We've been thinking about this for a long time, so it's really exciting to see kids in here.
That's so